Tip up, kid. Bass fishing in Florida. Visiting his grandfather, Cole Riback. Who needs striped bass and blues, he says. The largemouth bass fishing is great. Getting winded out. Been here in Florida for a few days. Gonna be here for a few more. It's blowing every day, so we're spending our time at the lake, catching some big bass. Show everybody the big largemouth you caught. Show me a good pose, kid. Smile. Tell everybody happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Good one. Now let me get a picture.